How to fix MoneyGram app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forward this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app MoneyGram. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then head over to the app, MoneyGram, open it, click on Upload app, click on Upload app. A floating app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If only solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 4. That is you need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of delete app. You'll get the pop-up. Click on delete for the confirmation. Once you delete this app, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app MoneyGram and then install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix MoneyGram app not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.